So today is assignment day. I'm gonna take you lot along with me. Quick, easy day in the life, or whatever you wanna call it. But it's not really day in the life. Just going into uni. Do this last assignment, or second to last. Then home time, gym, boom. I got a delivery coming. And after that, yeah. See how it goes.
Thank you. You're already a good leader. Thank you. Get better and better. Hopefully. Well done. It's a set of skill. It really is.
We are, damn, my head is massive. Back home, but we got some packages here. You already know where it's from, okay? But we're not opening that now. We're going to the gym first. I'm too scared to film at the gym, so charged. And I'm gonna go to the butcher's. Then I'll be back. Back from the gym, showered up. Tell her I need to put my t-shirt on. Yeah, we're live, man. And the packages are, can you even see me, fam? And the packages are here as well. Cheeky unboxing. Feel me? Feel me? Ain't no card. It's here. Oh my gosh. I'll keep looking up. I'm gonna make you taller. Explain to it now. Yes, let's go.
Escapou.
No.
Escapou.
No.
Only they took you.
No. See, you're about to go.
Where's the top it about? Put it up to me now. Yeah, a t-shirt.
It's a t-shirt, yeah.
What's our breaker?
No.
I have a.
Here.
Bro, a shop for me.
It's online, and yet it's not. How do you say it? They don't have a store. What's that? Let me just get this one. Oh, there's a heavy tee as well. Yes, sir. Let's see the back. Yes, sir. I love it. I love it. Okay. Yeah. Which next? Oh, fairs. I must have ripped it off so fast. I didn't even know it's got a little sticker there. Oops. Are these my bottoms? Yes, here it is. I'm never wearing this till I go to the airport, so. Mom! Ah, they got it. Bro, this is my airport fit for America. Bro! You feel me? Which one? Oh, yeah, I'll check. Sure. You feel me? They cooked with this drop. They actually cooked with this drop. They won't go back in their bag after anyways. So I'm assuming this is the hoodie. This one is the hoodie. Hoodie. Childish and their hoodies like cracking cocaine. Skedaddle, man. Skedaddle, man. Oh, they've done it again. I can't have this is staying. I'm not taking this off. Folks, bit. I'm not taking that off. Oh, they cooked. Do you not know me? I love the back of a hoodie. Let's see you on each one. Ooh. The alcohol, you know, I don't drink, but. Oh, I even deep it. It's green arms. I'm bugging. Oh yeah, this one we're hooping with still, man. Let me. Put it on quick. Hey, oh, they've done it. Ah, fresh and so clean. Nah, they've cooked. They've cooked. Yeah, I'll see the shit, man. And they got a little C on there, like. What you get? Hey. Ah, you know, I'm gonna ruin their stack for 1 second just so you can see in the light. Blue, green. They better to their mold for real. Oh, I love it. That concludes the unboxing. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, subscribe. Cheers, thank you.